Alright.
Let's put up back the new frame, the new hanger. Go in. Oh, these hammers sometimes. Let's get this in. Yeah, next one. Next screw it over there. Right there, it's under that screw right there, just drop. Alright. Let's get this fan up. This fan. Give me a run for my money. Right there. Right there. Alright. Alright, we go hang on this. Alright, so that's the hanger. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna hang the fan before we start do anything else. So this is the fan, pretty light fan. Let's hang this baby first. And before we hang it, there's a cover. Oh, this one didn't come with no cover, no. Alright. Get your wires out because you're going to need all these wires to work with, bang. Alright? Fan is hang. And this is what's going on when it's done, the cover, alright? We're not dealing with the cover yet. What we're going to deal with is the electronic part of it. Alright? So, we get my packer screw. And keep your tester. In this video, I'm just gonna use the tester to show you guys kind of what is what. All right. So in this case, this person hook up. It doesn't have 3 wire because it doesn't have 2 plugs. It's supposed, if it had, it could have 3 wire. Can you see those wires? It usually have 3 wire, but the way they hook this fan up is just 2 wire, so it's just black and white and the ground. So we're gonna test it so you guys can see that it's on. Can you see? And then now we're gonna out back the light because we're gonna test it again. There's no power because I'm not working with power. See, nothing. So we don't want to get shot, all right? So what happened in this case, all right, the real deal. This is the real deal. This is raw as you get it. So we're gonna put, all right, we're gonna put the, all this work again. The white is going by itself, so the white is going to the white, and then the black and the blue is going together, okay? So the reason why, because the blue and black going together, because the blue is light and the black is the negative for both of these. So the blue is positive here. The white is the power. The white is the source of all the power here. So this is going to power the light and the fan. All right. So let's do that. And put that up here. Hope you guys seen this stuff. And then your ground. Make sure you connect your ground, peel your ground. Very important. A lot of people don't really care about ground, but you need your ground. It save a lot of life and a lot of troubles. All right, so you push them in, make sure they're safely in, and then go in. And then you want to wrap this up nicely, and this is going in too, okay? Most people don't cut the wire. The reason why we don't cut these wires is because some people want to extend. Okay? They want to extend the fan. Sometimes they want extension. And if you cut it, when it's time to get extension, you're not going to get it. Alright? So you stuck it in here, and that's it. And then you put your cover, which is simply up. Twist, alright? I'm thinking I'm not gonna tighten this cover because I think like a piece missing. It's supposed to have a, no. Usually, let me see if this one come with an outside cover. Nope. This one is supposed to have a black, okay. It's supposed to come with it, but this one, I don't know why it didn't come with one. But it usually have a, and the box is show the cover, but it's not in the box. Look, not in the box, not in the box, not in nothing here. These are the light. Okay, this is not. Let me show you guys. It's supposed to come with.
That's it.
No, it's supposed to have a clip cover around it, but it doesn't come with the box. Oh, this one doesn't come with it. Alright, that's it then. Alright, let's try the fan and see what's going on. Nothing, so we gotta turn on the fan. There you go. But, babes, you know, wait, oh. Alright, so that's the fan right there. We got that. We're gonna tighten up the top because that's how it come. I expected an extra cover, but it didn't have it, so didn't come with that. I used a different one. My little screw. Where's my other little screw? All right, let me just tighten those. Beanie doesn't come with it. Now, we got the fan working. The next thing we're gonna do is put the light on. All right, so the light is not hard. You don't have to keep these cardboard, but a lot of guy does keep it. So keep it to just kind of balance it up here. All these wires. All right, this is not. See, I don't keep it for this reason. Because you don't want to freaking go in. You can't get nothing in. All right, we're gonna get the light. We're gonna get the light going. Kill us with that. Oh, you have it already? Mm-hmm. Yeah, she's always working fast. All right, so we're gonna plug in the light and test the light. These light got these little screw right here, 3 of them. You have to take them out first, the rest is not going in, okay? So you have to take them out. Magnetic bit, so kind of hold it for me. magnetic bit. All right, these are pretty simple. Go in, come with an extra screw. Like I said, all of them come with extra screw. You want to go white with white. Remember I told you how the black was there for the blue up there, so we're going white with white. You push it in, here it clip. Always listen for the sound. Clip. Now we're gonna try a bulb if we want. Let's try a bulb to see if we get light. Because that's the whole idea. Ta-da! Light and fan. You see that? All right, let's put it up now. You can't put it up with the bulb, so it's just a test. And we could have used your tester. Sometimes the tester slip inside. You don't want to use that kind of tester. You could use the next one. Let's get this in there. All right, this is a tricky one. You have to turn the part right here to the switch. Rest is not going in. All right, let's get all this wire in there. Stop the fan. You don't want to get hurt. Turn it to the switch. Something's stopping it right in the middle. Oh, why? Oh, this set right in the center. I gotta clear all these wires out here. It's crazy. These wire right here, they put it right there in the middle. It can't be there. Let's try again. It's kind of rough this time.
It's not exactly on the screw and screw.
Step one, step up then. It's in it, just don't want to go up. It's like over there is not, it's tight. Get one side first then. These are the screw.
I thought you had a magnetic drill thing.
Yeah, but let me try to get that in there. Can't get it, the rest will go right in. It's right there. Okay, let me see what's going on here. Ain't trying to give me this much trouble. Yeah, that's it. Cut off some of this. See right there till we get it. I don't know what's going on with all these wire in the middle. These wire right here. There it is. They're stopping the fan from actually going up. And then I have another piece in the middle. All right, let's try it now. I got it. I just gotta get one in. There it is. I'll be going quick as you be thinking. And you could put all the parts with this type of fan. Just to let y'all know, you can put everything on the ground. You can put everything on the ground. I just don't, for some reason, I don't never put the light, because I don't like to put the weight and the light when it's on the ground, so, or on the table. But you could do it. I don't like the weight to be on the light shade. I don't like it, so I don't put it there. Turn around, get the next one, and let's see what we got. Not a shade. I gotta get this in too. Let me just get this in. Okay. Alright, bulb. And then after bulb, the shade. Yeah. String necks. LED bulb. Thank you. And little chain. All right. So you know, got two chain. These one doesn't say if it's light or fan.
It should have something
They
on there.
usually have light or fan. Let me see.
No.
This one doesn't come.
No.
With, some of them show you that light fan. In this case, it's just, you know, you pay for what you get.
This fan wasn't that cheap.
That was
$80-something.
Price a lot. It doesn't come with all the stuff. All right. Let's see what we got. There go your Hampton Bay fan, fully loaded, working, chain, light, the full works. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching and being patient with me with them screws sometime. Now we're gonna dump this old fan. Man, we gotta get rid of the old one because the motor is gone. The fan can't spin. You see right here how nice this breeze is. Look at it's nice breeze in here. I will stay here now. Look. Let me see what we got here. Nice breeze. Nice breeze. Nice and dandy.
Alright guys, so again, like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, please subscribe to our channel because we bring in you a lot of stuff. Alright, cut and